Welcome back to Ninjas in Nature, and today we're going to be talking about putting together a first aid kit. This is a basic kit for simple cuts and scrapes. Got Mr. Hand, my right hand man, going to show you what he's got in his kit. First thing he's got is some alcohol prep pads for cleaning a wound. It looks like he's got a nice variety pack of Band-Aids to go in there. He's got some gauze he's going to include in his kit. And to attach that gauze, he's got some tape. And it looks like he's got two varieties. You can use either one. That looks like a waterproof variety of tape for gauze. He's even got some sterile gauze pads to include in there for larger cuts and scrapes. Pair of tweezers, pretty handy for removing splinters or ticks, things like that. And oh, look at this, he's got what's known as an irrigation syringe full of water in this case, but you don't have to carry water in it, but these are really handy for cleaning out dirt and wounds that are kind of deep. And you don't need a fancy first aid kit. A good old Ziploc bag looks like it'll work, and just pack it all in there and you're good to go. These are really great if you're going to be training in nature. You're eventually going to get a cut or scrape, and we want to be prepared for that.